Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. I'm delighted you're keen on creating a garden that's not only beautiful, but also a haven for our buzzy friends, the pollinators. These incredible creatures, from bees and butterflies to hoverflies and moths, are essential for a healthy garden and planet. By choosing the right flowers, you can attract these wonderful creatures and enjoy a garden buzzing with life. Imagine a sunny afternoon, your garden alive with the gentle hum of bees and the fluttering dance of butterflies. Every flower that blooms becomes an invitation for these tiny helpers to pollinate, leading to more fruits, vegetables and flowers. From sunflowers that draw in bees like magnets to fragrant lavender that enchants butterflies. We'll delve into the fascinating relationships between flowers and their pollinators. So, let's get started and discover the joys of creating a garden that's as welcoming to wildlife as it is to you. One of the most rewarding aspects of gardening is attracting a diverse array of pollinators. Different flowers have evolved unique shapes, colors and scents to attract specific pollinators. For example, bees are particularly drawn to bright blue and yellow flowers with single petals, making it easier for them to access the nectar and pollen. Butterflies prefer large, brightly colored flowers with a flat landing platform, allowing them to perch comfortably while they feed. By selecting a variety of flowers that cater to different pollinators, you can create a truly vibrant and biodiverse garden. Providing a source of water, such as a shallow dish or bird bath, is crucial for their survival, especially during hot summer months. Additionally, avoiding pesticides and herbicides is essential for protecting these beneficial insects and ensuring their well-being. By taking these steps, you can create a garden where pollinators can thrive and contribute to the health of your garden and the environment. Sunflowers, these cheerful giants are not only a delight for us to behold, but also a beacon for bees. Their large, open faces are like landing pads for bees, inviting them to feast on the abundant nectar and pollen. Sunflowers are particularly attractive to bumblebees, with their large bodies and fuzzy coats perfectly adapted for collecting pollen from these sunny blooms. The relationship between sunflowers and bees is a beautiful example of symbiosis. As bees move from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen, they inadvertently transfer pollen grains, enabling the sunflower to produce seeds. When planting sunflowers for bees, opt for varieties with open centers, as these provide easier access to the pollen and nectar. Sunflowers are relatively low-maintenance plants that thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. So, sow some sunflower seeds and watch your garden transform into a haven for bees. Lavender, with its intoxicating fragrance and delicate purple blooms, is not only a treat for the senses, but also a magnet for butterflies. These graceful insects are drawn to the lavender's sweet nectar and vibrant color, adding a touch of magic to any garden. Butterflies, with their long, thin proboscises, are particularly adept at accessing the nectar hidden deep within the lavender's tubular flowers. Planting lavender in your garden is like rolling out a welcome mat for butterflies. These beautiful insects are not only a joy to watch, but also play a crucial role in pollination. Lavender is a relatively easy plant to grow, thriving in full sun and well-drained soil. To attract butterflies, plant lavender in clumps or borders, creating a fragrant and inviting haven for these winged wonders. With its beauty, fragrance, and ability to attract butterflies, lavender is a must-have for any pollinator-friendly garden. Coneflowers, with their distinctive cone-shaped centers and vibrant petals, are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a haven for hoverflies. These fascinating insects, often mistaken for bees, are valuable pollinators, playing a crucial role in the garden ecosystem. Hoverflies are attracted to the coneflower's open structure and abundant nectar, providing them with a valuable food source. One of the remarkable things about hoverflies is their ability to hover in mid-air, their wings beating so fast they become a blur. As they move about, they inadvertently transfer pollen, contributing to the pollination of coneflowers and other plants. Coneflowers are incredibly easy to grow, thriving in a wide range of conditions. They prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. With their vibrant colors, long blooming period, and ability to attract beneficial insects like hoverflies, coneflowers are a wonderful addition to any pollinator-friendly garden. Now that we've explored some of the best flowers for attracting pollinators, let's talk about how to incorporate them effectively into your garden. Creating a pollinator paradise is about more than just planting flowers. It's about creating a welcoming habitat that provides food, water, and shelter for these beneficial creatures. One of the key principles is to choose a variety of flowers that bloom at different times throughout the year. This ensures a continuous source of nectar and pollen for pollinators from early spring to late fall. Aim for a mix of colors, shapes, and sizes to attract a diverse range of pollinators. A shallow dish or bird bath filled with fresh water is essential, especially during hot summer. Adding a few stones or pebbles to the water provides landing spots for bees and butterflies. Finally, avoid using pesticides and herbicides in your garden. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods, such as companion planting, and introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings.